Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to be making ChatGPT do my project work for me, and I'm giving me all the details I need. So let's start. So first off, I'll go to chat.openai.com and try to log in on my phone. So let it process. Right, then I log in. So you must have an account first before you can actually chat, and it gives you a request. Let me open with my signed in with my Google account before. So let me just sign in right away. Okay, so now that it's opened, I'll just do write a full project work with the project topic um public perception of waste management in the world. So let me try this. So we can see that it's writing the whole project work. You don't have to do so much. Let me minimize this so we can see it. So this is very, very, very effective when trying to write your project work. A lot of people don't know this feature that you can use ChatGPT to do your project work. You can use it to do your presentations. You can use it to do several things that you can't even imagine. So this is the project that is writing the project work for me, right from the abstract, going down to the literature review, doing methodology, and so on. So let's just watch it complete the process. Okay, so this is it now, the methodology. Let me assume I want to write a conclusion. Can you write a conclusion? Right, so it's writing the conclusion of the entire project work. Right, so a lot of people are usually scared that okay, ChatGPT might just be a feature whereby it crawls from the internet and pick several things. So how about plagiarism check? So I'm going to write this question in another way. One thing about ChatGPT is that you need to know how to ask the right question. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT to do it again for me, but this time in human form. Rewrite the project without plagiarism and in human form. Right, so let's see what it gives us. You can see it's giving us a comparative study of waste management development. So it has even given us a unique topic for our project. So it's writing it without plagiarism now, and it's writing in human form so that it's not detected that it's an AI that did the project work for you. So this actually makes the work of students very, very easy. They don't have to work so much in trying to rack their brains around waste around their project work. They can easily just allow an AI system develop it for them, and they get the absolute answer they need. So that's that about that, guys. If you've not subscribed yet, please see the red subscription button below. Also, if you're returning and you've not hit the push notification bell, you can also do that by hitting the push notification bell on this channel so that you will be the first to get amazing updates as we keep dropping each and every day. Thanks so much. See you soon. Have a lovely day.